Hello, and welcome to this brief overview of the Sage 200 Workspaces. Workspaces are a great way of accessing information from your Sage 200 system without the need to have the client installed locally. This also means they can be accessed from most web-enabled devices such as tablets, iPads, and smartphones. To access these workspaces, you'll need to have a connected named user license. The good news is that these have a significantly lower cost than full licenses, and your account manager can give you further information on the costings and use of connected users. It's worth noting that full users can also use workspaces within the main Sage 200 application. I'm going to show you some of the most commonly used workspaces within the system. As you can see, there's a wide selection. This is a common one that's often used by people not only remotely but within the main Sage 200 application, as it's around credit control. It's designed to give you everything you could want to see in one screen rather than jumping between different transactional screens within Sage 200. So we select an account, we can see the details including phone number, and obviously if you look to the bottom you can see the transactions that make up the outstanding balance. As with most areas of Sage 200, I can also search for different accounts nice and easily to keep things simple. Another common area is the Nominal Ledger, and, not surprisingly, there's a wide range of workspaces within the Nominal Ledger for you to view, even simple things such as the audit trail list or the nominal account list. Now, we can also add columns to these screens, so on the left or the right, you simply need to right click and choose where you want it and what column you want to add in. Any columns available will be added in the list. And again, you can search on the options. One area where it is often used is stock control. So within a warehouse environment, you could give your staff the ability to view stock information without being able to make any alterations or changes. So if we were to look at the stock status enquiry, we can see what stock's available of any one item and where it's available from. For example, factory, showroom, stores, warehouse, etc. These are all simple and easy to use. I really hope you found this information useful, and please, if you do have any further queries, do contact your account manager at Solutions, who will only be too happy to go through the rest of the information around workspaces with you. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.